Last up, Manu Chandaria. Let me know what you think about him, what it is about him you think stands out. Why is he where he's at in life? Corazon, I'll start with you.
I will say that Manu Chandaria is someone who has, first of all, been consistent in what he's been doing all along throughout the years. And he also stands out as a leader. And that's the thing about this world of business. If you're in the world of business, you don't stand out as a leader. You're just someone you decide. If Manu Chandaria decided that, hey, I'll not focus on this, I'll do this, you know what, I'll open a media house, or I'll do this, this and this and that, I think there will be some misplaced priorities. Yeah. But this is someone who actually prioritized, you know, what he does and what he actually stands for. So for me, Manu Chandaria is someone who stands out as a leader and someone who's consistent. And philanthropy has played a key role in terms of just endearing himself to the masses, right, Esther?
Yes, it has. And I think one of the things that you see about Manu Chandaria is, again, he's consistent with regard to philanthropy. And so everybody then has seen that all along. And I think part of that is that he knows that's something that's important to him. Okay. He has already determined himself as a person who is passionate about philanthropy. So as much as he's building his businesses, the one thing that he will do, he will also focus on philanthropy.
Helping others.
Therefore, then we are able to tell that he's what he represents in that.
Brian,